All right, hit record. What's going on, everyone? Get out of this. We'll give a little update how I'm doing going through tic-tac-toe project. So today, what I accomplished was getting the value, the input value, when the player enters the name, and saved it to a variable, and then I can pass that variable to my factory function here, which basically just takes that that value and turns it into an object. So right up here, I'm just grabbing the start game button. So once I click it like that, it's going to save the values, player 1's value and player 2's value, just their names basically. So adding the event listener to that, it's a click event, and I'm using that event, that E right there, prevent default. I don't want that to get sent to a server anywhere, so I'm just using that so it doesn't get sent to a server, from what I was told. Then we have player 1's value right there, grabbing the element by the ID and attaching dot value to it. That's how we get the value, and then we're passing those values to my factory function, which turns it into an object. Takes two parameters, player 1, player 2, and then we're just returning it as an object there. And don't mind the console log statements. It's going to show you what we mean here. If I enter my first name, Alec, and I enter, just some random text there. Get this right here. Let me full screen this, and I press clear the console. Sorry. And if I press start game, as you can see, I get player 1 value and player 2 value, getting those names there. Let me exit out of that. And then if I want to call my function 2 and turn those into an object, player 1 and player 2, like we're doing down here, we can do that as well. I think I already have some strings loaded up, so if I just press up, I can pass, any kind of random numbers in there, any kind of random letters. That's going to be the names that are going to be passed in. So if I do that, as you can see, we get an object here. So at player 1, that's going to be its name. That's going to be its name as well. As you can see right there, turn into an object. So what I hope to next is I like to get some confirmation on my code that I'm implementing this right and on the right track. But I did this today, so I have these people objects that I can use anywhere else in my code. Like if I need to reference it to determine whose turn it is or determine who won, that's the reason I did that today. So that's all for today. Give another update how I'm going through tomorrow. And yeah, it's heating up. It's getting real. But take it one day at a time and one step at a time. So until next time, take it easy, guys.